day is it?
Saturday.
It's Saturday. We're unsure of what the number is, the date, but it just took us an hour.
It's the 11th.
It's the 11th. Just took Katie and I an hour to get to Kohl's.
1 hour.
1 hour to drive 6 miles.
It wasn't even 6. It's not even a mile.
This is what Christmas does to people. It kills them on the inside. And it makes them, hey, look, a parking spot, Katie.
She's a... Too late.
Ah!
Wow.
It took us a considerably shorter time to get out of the Kohl's parking lot and onto the main road. I don't understand. Do you understand, Katie?
People are tired.
Thoughts?
They're tired. Oh, there's people behind us.
Something else that Christmas makes people do. Go insane!